Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. This is King's Bread TV, and in my channel I teach you a whole lot of things. In as much I'm a custodian of that knowledge, so I teach you as many things as possible. So please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and comment on this video. Right, today I'm going to teach you something very simple and very interesting, you see. So first I'm going to do, having opened my page on Corel now, then change this to landscape, and then I'm just going to create bubbles, because this is what I'm teaching you. I'm teaching you how to create bubbles, and you're gonna like this, I can tell you that. And then I'm just going to change that to black. After that's very crucial, I'm going to change to black, and then I'm just going to duplicate this. All right, and then replicate it. All right, replicate. I think I'm okay there. All right, just adjust this a little bit. Okay, after that I'm going to duplicate this downward and then replicate it again, and I'm very much okay. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm just going to go to Windows, and then you go to the Dockers. All right, you go to Dockers. When you get to Dockers, what I'm really looking for is actually a fish eye. I'm looking for a fish eye. So go to window again, go to window. Under that, I'm just going to look for, first of all, you go to lens, the lens comes out on this side. All right, so I'm going to draw a circle here, and then just draw the circle on all of these. Okay, I just want to have it in this way. Okay, now so I'm just going to come to this side, click on that, some couple of things we drop. What I actually need there is fish eye, so I'm just going to get fish eye from there, and you can see that. Pretty cool, right? Subscribe to this channel right away. All right, and then I'm just going to click on frozen. Then the moment it froze it up, that's all I need from that. So I'm just going to close this. I don't need any more there. So this has been frozen, so I'm just going to bring it outside, and then I'm going to delete everything right here, and then bring this one up again. All right, and I'm just going to apply a couple of few things to it. I don't intend to make this video a very long one, so I just want to make it as smart as possible. So having done that, I'm going to ungroup that. All right, I'm going to ungroup it, and then just delete some couple of things there. I don't need this line. Okay, there's another line there, which another background. Yeah, I actually need that background. Okay, and that background, I'm just going to give it fountain fader as F11. I press F11, so I'm just going to use the radar, and then I'm going to use something of this nature, ash, and I think that satisfies me. And then this particular bubbles, all right, let's just highlight all. Okay, excuse me, highlight all. Having highlight all, now I'm just going to press alt and deselect the circle. All right, and then group all the balls together, and not necessarily group them, just weld them together, and that is fine by me. So let me see if I have them separate. Yes, absolutely. All right, so I'm just going to select this. The next thing I want to do on that is I want to give it a kind of drop of shadow. We're almost done with this, guys. Subscribe to my channel right now. Subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. Just subscribe to this channel. So I'm going to give it drop shadow. So just give it something light on the precepts here. Okay, let's see, mid small glow. I'm just going to use this, and then reduce the feather right there. I'm just going to give it, let's say 3. I'm going to give it 3 on that. Okay, that's okay by me. Let me see if I can put it outside or leave it inside. If outside is okay, I'm going to leave it. If it's not okay, then I'll return it. It's not okay, then I'm going to return it to what it is. So I'm going to change the color here. I want it to be in black. I actually need that shadow in black, not that. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. So having done this, I'm just going to go to arrange straight away, and then break drop shadow apart. I want them separately so that I can bitmap the shadow, because at times in most cases the shadow might likely change, so you don't want it to affect your job. So I've selected the shadow right now. Let me see. Okay, let me see which one. Okay, that's shadow. All right, so I'm just going to bitmap it right away. I'm going to bitmap the shadow right away. Once that is done, guys, we're done with the job. The perfect clean job, right? You can change the color. You can have it in different kind of colors, and it just looks superb. If you're having this for your screen, you can use it for your background and all of that, right? So I'm just going to select this and give it white outline, and I'm just going to increase the white outline a little bit. Just let me increase it by some, maybe 1 point. Let's have it behind the fill, and I'm just going to select this. Okay, let's see what we have. That means I have to increase it. Let me give it to 2. You don't want it to be too much, if not it will affect your graphics. All right, I guess I'm okay with this. So I'm just going to highlight all and group it all, and having done that, I'm just going to create a screen, somewhat like a background. All right, draw this and just draw this a little bit. Let me see. Good. All right, so having done that, I'm going to use interactive fill tool. So I'm just going to draw a straight line there. Okay, I think I like it just perfectly. Let me move this a little bit upward. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. Remove the outline, and then let's just pitch down, control pitch down. And then this particular color, I still don't like it, but let's just do what I want to do. I'm just going to I'm duplicating this into 2 places. All right, okay, let me ungroup this, and let me change the color to maybe something blue. No, blue. I think I'll prefer red for this, or green for this. Blue. Okay, let me use red for this. Okay, guys, kindly subscribe to this channel. We're just done with this job now. Just very simple creation like that. So I'm just going to change this to pure black, and then I'm going to bitmap it straight away. I just need it to be a form of shadow, very quick one. And having done that, then I'm going to give it a Gaussian blur right away. I'm just going to do that. Okay, I'm just going to blur it right away, and that's it. And having done that,